get off the floor. Come up here. Is it Tuesday? No. Oh, goodbye. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Alexa.
And I'm Max.
And this is Patrick. And he squeaks. So today we're gonna be opening. Oh wait, no, Max. We're AlexaMaxTV, and today we'll be opening these Wave 3.
Wait,
Overwatch
2
Funko Pops. Wave 3. The cringe.
Oh yeah.
The cringe. Say wave. No, why don't we just say these new dudes, okay?
And today we're gonna be opening Junkrat, Zarya,
Mercy, Roadhog, Sombra, and Zenyatta. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So,
oh yeah.
take it easy. This, for some reason, the people that made this, they put extra ones. So thanks, whoever you guys are. So yeah, we're gonna get started right now. So let's start with the support heroes. Yeah,
Mr. Dad is, for some reason, a Torb main.
He says it's fun because you have an extra person when you die, like shooter. You open this. Let me do it. I have skills.
I'm not a noob. I'm a
trainee. I'm a trainee. I'm gonna let Max do his first.
And it's doper.
No, because yours is 304. Mine is 305. So goodbye, rocks. And get rid of this Mercy. Wow. And so this is Mercy with her halo and her wings and her healing staff. And she's doing the resurrect. Yeah.
Resurrection. No, doesn't mine.
Too bad we don't have this spinning table. Max, stop. You do it this way. You do it this way.
How do you
You're
do
such
it?
a noob.
No, I'm a noob.
After 2 years of playing. Okay. Mercy is a support character. She basically heals people with her staff, and then she could fly, and that's her ultimate.
She flies
can resurrect people. She's like, heroes never die. And then she resurrects people.
Oh yeah, it's like this. Zen dies, and she's like, he was never dying. No,
She
she resurrects, and then he gets back to life, and then I'm like, what the heck? So yeah.
Yeah, she also has a gun called a pistol. Pistole. So, oh yeah, and the staff, it has healing and giving
extra boost to
like
damage.
Damage boost, and the
damage
is blue, and the healing is green. I mean, no,
Yellow.
yellow, Max. I was gonna say green too. Okay, this is Zen. I wanted him to be cooler. I thought he was gonna be cool, but his head is really big. So yeah, he's also a support character that's really weak. 2 shots or what? Two shots or 3 shots as and he throws these balls things. And then he's like doing. And then when he uses his like experience strength floating. Oh yeah, and he never walks.
Yeah.
But
all he does is floats.
But the Overwatch team, they made him walk because someone said make Zen walk in the Overwatch.
So he's like,
League. Oh yeah. By the way, the Overwatch League is this sweet stuff. It has a bunch of teams
that fight.
Yeah, Shanghai Dragons, Los Angeles Gladiators, San Francisco Shock, Los Angeles Valiant,
London
Downfield,
Spitfire,
Seoul Dynasty, and yada yada yada. Okay, no one really cares about the other. Wait, no, people care. What? I can't just explain this because not all of them are here. So, yeah.
No, all of them are there.
No.
Really?
Well, I can't just say it right now. So, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But
Yeah,
we also
got
signed.
this.
You see, this is an ordinary Pachimari, and then, but when you look at the back, dun, dun, Yeah, that's right. It's Mickey and Seagull from the Dallas Fuel. Yeah, I only got signed by 2 of them because
Alexa doesn't want that much on it. So
I used
the Sour Patch Thunder Stick.
Yeah,
so
we got
this
Thunder
is
Stick.
AKM from the same team. London Spitfire. No, what am I saying? Seagull. Seagull team.
Seagull
What's it?
team. Dallas Fuel.
Dallas Fuel. So this is Seagull, and then this is AKM Harry Hook Mickey, and then Chips.
Chips.
I forgot.
Chips.
I forgot his name.
Oh yeah.
Unko. And if you don't remember, he got traded from Valiant with Custa. So and then
People don't know who that is.
Valiant stuff. Well, you guys don't need to know. And then there's Effect, and I don't know if that's how you spell Effect.
Hey, can we get back to Zen right here? You gave him disrespect. Okay, do not. Okay, so he could throw healing orbs and he could throw
Extra damage orbs.
oh yeah, and then those not healing orbs.
It just does damage.
Oh yeah, and then he could turn into a DP. He could turn into like basically
Defense, no offense.
not a support hero.
He's basically offense.
He's basically offense, yeah, because he could do so much damage if you're really good. Like,
Yeah, take that. Kick.
like one of the players from the teams did that, and then they called them like,
A
I don't
god.
remember.
Okay,
Yes.
moving on to the tanks.
Oh yeah, and Zen, he has the it's called Transcendence, and he's like,
Experience,
and then he
tranquility.
could stay alive and then keep his teammates alive.
Yeah, and he has like 10
he's
arms.
basically invincible during that time, so yeah.
He
Moving
has 10
on to the
arms and
next
he uses
one.
it. Tanks. Keep it on your side. This is a tank, okay? This is a tank.
Fine. We'll go out of order.
You don't need to go in order, okay?
Fine, this is 300.
It's healer,
This is
tank.
309 tank. He's a tank because he's beefy, and tanks are beefy.
Yeah.
Except Diva.
Diva, she's just a little girl in a mech.
This is Diva. This tiny lady. So just watch another video to know.
We'll watch it after this, unless you want to watch it
In order. Okay, so this is a beefy Roadhog.
This is Zarya. She's a buff person.
A buff person.
Yes. Why is he right here? He needs. Ah, Zen! He took critical damage. He should be dead by now.
He's so rude.
Oh, jeez, his neck.
I know you can do.
His neck. Oh, no.
Okay. Yeah, so oh god.
No.
Okay, so these are tank heroes.
Tanks.
They basically
Beefy people with extra hearts.
don't say beefy anymore. I don't like it. They have like the most health. Yeah, that's what tanks are, and then they like stay in front of the team to
Support them.
yeah, I guess. What is this?
There's nothing in here.
Why is he hollow? I guess so. Okay. This is Roadhog. He has
A gasoline to.
no, not gasoline.
Oh, wait, what are we
He has
talking
like
about?
healing
Gas?
gas that he could like breathe in, even though this is a gas mask.
The thing is
For
weird.
show.
He has a gas mask, and then Widowmaker, she has a mine.
Stop.
And then I'm like, what? How does he have it? He has a gas mask. Unless it's not tightened.
No, because it's just for show. Anyway, it has these. Okay, and he likes pigs, I guess.
Pigs.
Wild hog power. Okay, and then we'll just
And he likes to hook people.
and he has a hook. One of his abilities.
He throws them and then
He
breaks them.
has a gun on the back, and then
Is that a gun?
Yeah, that's where he put his gun.
Oh.
And then and then he likes to eat steamed buns.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. No.
Yeah, he does.
I'm just kidding. Yeah. Only in the
Lunar New Year.
And his ultimate is like he puts
Full
on
hog.
what's called full hog. He has
It's on some other stuff to make it like rapid fire.
so and then he goes like pew, 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 pew. Oh yeah, and I think he's cause he's
right there.
No, the oldest person is Anna. She's 61, and the second oldest is.
They don't know.
Okay.
But the second oldest is Reinhardt, and he's 60.
Yeah. So he's a pretty cool character if you ask me.
Okay, this is Zarya,
And she could give people shields. And let me do this.
What are we doing it right? What's wrong with you?
No, you have to put it in front.
I'm fired now. Bye.
She has short pink hair. Max, get off the ground.
The wild Max has appeared.
Please explain this.
I can. You say I'm not good.
No, you have to explain it.
Okay, so it's a person with that's buff.
Okay, so
I can't do it.
Zarya is Russian and she has this really heavy gun and
It shoots lasers.
she's really buff and it shoots lasers.
It's
And
like
oh yeah, and then she can shoot out shields and shoot out
people
orbs of energy and then she has this beam and it's like zzz, and then it kills people. Yeah, what's her ultimate? It's the graviton surge, and then when she uses it, it sucks people in like a black hole, but it doesn't kill them. So this pretends they're like this, and then she like uses her ult, and then like squish together. Squish together.
yeah, so it's like good for using Death Blossoms or McCree High Noons.
Oh yeah.
So that's Zarya.
She kind of reminds me
I don't know who that is, so I don't know.
oh
So
whatever. It's the singer.
I don't know what you're talking about. So yeah.
Okay, and then our last two characters.
Yours is a DPS and mine's a defense.
DPS
is a offense.
This
They
is
go in
number
front.
Max. Hey. Look at me, buddy. Look at me. It's M&M.
No!
Okay, this is 307.
Now you have to say the number.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I just want to.
This is number 8886113891. How do you get this out?
This is Sombra. She's a hacker. Yeah, she wears hacking stuff.
Look on her. This is oh, he's strapped in.
She hacks in life, yeah.
You see, he's strapped in because he's too wild.
No, because I don't know how to explain her. She like
Hacks people.
hacks people. She's a hacker at life.
Okay.
She hacks in life, and then she can hack people to like disable their abilities
and their ults.
and she has like this gun, and she
She
works.
could go invisible.
She works with Reaper and Widowmaker, but that's another story. And then what's that snappy stuff?
Wait,
Oh
what?
yeah,
What-
she can
what?
turn invisible and like run around without people noticing. And then
Hi there, friends.
Max, stop! You're gonna break that. Okay,
No,
and then
it's flexible.
the ultimate is EMP, and she uses it. It disables her their abilities. Other
Like
people's
he's gonna
abilities.
use his
And-
drip tire, and then he's gonna be like, I can't use it. No.
And
like
then
that.
yeah, I already said hacking. You see these hacking skills? Those are hacking skills right
He
there.
can't stand. I think it's because he has a peg leg. Okay, so this is Junkrat, the defense. So he works with Roadhog right here. They're best buddies.
Yeah.
because they're buddies in crime. So he has two abilities. So he could use his concussion mine, and he throws it and then explodes when he wants it to explode. When you want it to explode, like, throw beep and then explodes. And then he has the one I'm talking about right now is his ult. So this right here is his Riptire. Then he uses it, and then you can control it for 10 seconds, and it explodes, and you could use it all around the map.
And it could climb buildings.
Yeah.
So yeah. And then
his other ability, well, that was his ult we were talking about, is a bear trap. So let's say he puts a bear trap down, people step in it, they get stuck, and then sometimes people, they put the concussion mine on the bear trap. So when they press the concussion mine, well, when they step on it, they know, and then they press it and it explodes. So yeah, that's Junkrat.
Oh yeah, Junkrat, he got into a fight because his arm is metal and his leg is a metal leg. And he has a hole in his shoe.
Okay. He has a hole in his shoe, which is not actually real. And his gun, which is odd, it's filled up. No, what is wrong with you? I was trying to grab it, and then you were
You're not good at explaining this.
I am.
No, okay. So Junkrat, he tried to hit you there.
In the surround.
And then in the game, his hair is on fire too.
Because he's odd.
And his gun, it shoots out bombs.
It's basically a grenade launcher.
Yeah. So the bombs could bounce around on the floor though.
Oh yeah, I was watching this video and the bear trap was moving and it was jumping like this. It was odd. Here. Put them in his hook.
Yeah, so he could stand. Thanks for support.
Okay, so
Really?
my leg! Help me! Why? Oh yeah, the weird thing in Overwatch is that Junkrat, he fights Roadhog because sometimes people do that when they're on the opponent team. Next up, we'll just hold it manually.
Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Terrorize the city. Dun dun dun.
Laser eyes. This will be the next tank. This will be the next tank hero. Add this.